Welcome, tech adventurers. Today, we're diving into the world of Ansible installation on Linux. First, Ansible is your automation superhero. It simplifies IT tasks. Before installing, ensure your system meets the requirements, because surprises are great for birthdays, not software installs. Choosing the right package. Think of it like picking the right coffee blend, essential. Lastly, follow the steps tailored for your Linux version to avoid unnecessary headaches. Let's make automation effortless. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13 plus years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Let's talk about Ansible. It's the magic wand for automation, open source, and ridiculously useful for IT management. It simplifies life, letting you run tasks smoothly. Playbooks written in YAML dictate what Ansible should do. Think of them as recipes for automation. Best part, no agents, no messy installs, just efficient task execution. If Ansible had a motto, it'd be work smart, not hard. Why Ansible? Because manual work is so last century. It cuts human error, making automation flawless. Needs scalability. Ansible handles that like a pro. It supports multiple platforms, so no compatibility headaches. And guess what? It's agentless, so fewer installations, more automation. Think of it as your IT assistant that never sleeps. First things first, let's make sure Ansible is actually installed. No one wants to spend hours troubleshooting only to realize they never installed it in the first place. We check the version, ensure Python dependencies are in order, and peek into configuration files. Finally, let's run a small playbook, because theory is great, but nothing beats a real test. Now that Ansible is installed, it's time to tweak the settings. The Ansible CFG file is where magic happens. You can customize behaviors and optimize performance. Then we define our inventory, because Ansible needs to know who it's talking to. Want to go the extra mile? Adjust environment variables. Finally, let's run a ping test to make sure everything is working. Simple, right? Think of the inventory file as Ansible's address book. It needs to know where to send commands. We start by listing hosts, then group them for easier control because chaos is not our friend. Adding variables lets us customize configurations. And of course we test it. No one likes surprises in production, so let's catch any errors early. Time to flex some Ansible muscle. Ad hoc commands are great for quick fixes. Think of them as one-off magic spells. Playbooks, however, are where true automation lives. Modules, they make Ansible versatile, from system administration to cloud operations. And let's not forget logs, because debugging without logs is like driving blindfolded. Let's be honest, things go wrong. But troubleshooting is just detective work. First, we look at error messages. They're like cryptic clues in a mystery novel. Then we check dependencies, because missing packages can wreck everything. If all else fails, a clean reinstall might save the day. And if frustration sets in, the Ansible community is always there. No shame in asking. Sometimes we need to say goodbye. Uninstalling Ansible is straightforward. Just use the package manager. But don't forget those lingering config files. Cleaning them up prevents weird surprises later. Dependencies. If they're not needed, toss them too. Finally, always verify the removal because nothing is worse than uninstalling something, only for it to haunt you later. We made it. From installation to troubleshooting, you now have a solid grasp of Ansible basics. But the adventure doesn't end here. There's a whole world of advanced playbooks waiting for you, ready to take automation to the next level. Dive deeper into Ansible modules, and don't forget to engage with the Ansible community. It's a goldmine of knowledge. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.